Yeah.
Weezy out here.
Hey guys, what's up? What's good? Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. Today I used the James times Morphe palette. I bought that I think 2 weeks ago. It is the first time that I touched it today. So basically I inspired myself from the Jackie Aina her review she did on this look basically. I'm currently going to church, so I didn't want to do something too extra, like too much color, like some greenish, some bluish. That's going to be for another video, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just recreated this look. I put my own twist on it. I kind of like it. I don't know yet how I feel about it, and my makeup hasn't like properly set in yet. But yeah, as I said, I need to go to church, so I'm really in a rush. But I would definitely recommend the palette because, girl, you can do so many looks with it. I'll just let you watch the video and you'll see for yourself. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Hey guys, what's good? So I'm starting up with the color Skip. I'm putting that all in my crease as a transition shade. It's kind of this pinkish shade. And now I'm taking the color Cola and I'm placing that. I'm just putting a line as you see me doing there, and then I'll blend that. Well, I'll blend that a little bit later. So right now it's gonna look a bit crazy, but I will definitely blend it out in a couple of seconds, really, for you guys. So now I'm taking the shade Escape and I'm placing that in the crease, and I'm also blending that. I'm also serving myself with that color to blend out the color Escape. So I decided to cut my crease, so I'm just taking my medium beige concealer and I am cutting my crease right now. And on top of that, I'm going to put the color Single first, and then on top of Single I'm going to put Artistry. So yeah, bear with me while I'm cutting my crease. I know I'm taking a lot of time. In the clips that are coming, you're gonna see me doing a lot of adding, removing, blending. I was just really trying to perfect my art because I didn't really like how it looked. So now I'm using my primer, my Becca Evermatte and Poreless primer. I'm putting that everywhere on my face. Yeah. And then to set that primer in, I'm gonna put my my kind of Fenty Beauty powder, that white powder. It's like a setting powder for oily people. So I'm gonna put that mainly on all the places that I normally get oily during the day. My foundation, guys, is finally a new foundation. Is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it's in the color I think it's called Brulee, if I'm correct. And it's my first time using this foundation, and yeah, I need to use it a little bit more to have like a better idea of the foundation, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so far I kind of like it. I don't have any problem with it, but I think that next time I should color match myself a bit better. But the foundation is really a good foundation. The concealer that I'm using is medium beige. It's the same, I don't know why I'm saying like that, medium beige, okay? And it's the same concealer that I use to cut my crease. So I'm just putting that in all the areas that I normally want to highlight. So under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I will be blending that out with my beauty sponge. And then I will be setting my concealer with my Sacha Cosmetic Buttercup setting powder. Yeah, I did that. To contour, I'm using the shade Copper Brown, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm placing that everywhere that I normally contour. The forehead, my cheekbones, my jawline. You know, everywhere where I want to look snatch, honey. So on this day I decided to wear blush, and I decided to take shades from the palette, and I took the shades, I mixed together You're Kidding and Rusted, and I feel like it was a bit too much. I shouldn't have done that, but oh well. I sprayed my face with my my NYX setting spray. And now I'm just lining my lips with my Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K. And I'm putting my Leo liquid lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics also. And yeah, as you can see, my highlight is my blush is so harsh on camera, but it wasn't, well, it was still harsh in person, but it wasn't that harsh. As highlight, I use ABH times Amrezy highlighter. It's my go-to for the moment. I use it every day. I'm just in love with it. I traded from my Fenty Beauty, which I never thought I would have done. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. So yeah, I used the James Charles palette, as I said in the beginning. So yeah, this is my finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you keep coming back. Thank you so much for being here and watching till the end. And on your way out, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed year, everything blessed. Thank you so much. Bye.
What else? Your body will kill me. Now, up in every palm, baby. Ram town. Now. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, yeah.